עכשיו יש לנו מים באגם, אוקיי? אגם, מה? אתה שותה את המים. Are you drinking your water?
Yeah.
אנחנו צריכים את המים כדי לדייג.
Just kidding. Shalom.
היי, ליעמי, זוהי, מה אנחנו עושים היום?
We're doing an experiment.
An experiment so cool.
We're going ice fishing.
That's so much fun. We're gonna ice fish?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, but first, do you remember how to say science in Hebrew? Ma?
Malui.
Mada.
Nada.
Science, mada. Science is?
Nada.
Zoe, can you say mada?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
So science experiment is ניסוי מדע.
ניסוי מדע.
ניסוי מדע. We're going to do a science. Zoe, can you say ניסוי מדע?
Let's do it.
ניסוי מדע.
ניסוי מדע.
טוב מאוד.
Let's do it.
Okay, so what's our science experiment? We're gonna go ice fishing
Yeah.
with salt and ice and string.
Do 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 do.
Yes.
1, 2, 3. שקשוקה על הראש. Let's do it.
Okay, אנחנו ננסה דייג קרח. Okay, because ice is קרח and fishing is דייג.
דייג.
What word sounds like דייג?
דג.
נכון, fish, דג. So דייג קרח. Okay, let's go get all the ingredients, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You go.
Okay.
Just you.
Okay.
There's no water.
Okay, ליעם. עכשיו, now we have all of our ingredients.
Yeah.
We have our lake, we have our salt, we have our ice, and we
Where's
have
the
our
water?
We don't have any water?
Yeah.
שכחנו את המים?
Yeah.
אוי ואבוי. אוקיי, אני אמלט גם את המים, אוקיי?
Stop recording.
אוקיי. אוקיי, הנה המים שלנו. אוקיי, עכשיו יש לנו מים באגם, אוקיי? אגם, מה? אתה שותה את המים. Are you drinking your water?
Yeah.
אנחנו צריכים את המים כדי לדייג.
Just kidding.
Oh, okay. Now, we have our water, and we have our ice in the water, and we have our... Wait a second. We don't have any ice in the water. Okay. We have ice in the water. Whoa! Look how big this ice is. Ah! So much ice. כל כך הרבה.
I don't want to hold it.
Okay. Here. אחד.
Are they
Nine.
cold?
They're very cold. You want here to touch it. See how
No.
cold? See how cold it is? So cold! Ah! It's freezing!
Is it?
Okay. Let's do more. Okay. Now we need our fishing poles.
Okay, yeah, just
Okay,
like
I'll cut one for Liam.
That's too big. That's too big.
Yeah, I'll cut one for Abba.
What do we do? Do I need to put this in there?
Okay. So put the string on the ice cube. Lie down on the ice cube. Some ice salt on it. And then oh, I think we need a little more ice. A little more salt. Zoe, is it so crazy? Is it so crazy?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think it's now it's melting and refreezing. Lift it up. You caught the ice!
Yay!
You caught the ice! The pasta tequila! Wow! Wow, that's so cool. So now Abba's gonna go here. Can you hold the camera so Abba so you can film Abba doing it? Okay.
Let's go ice fishing.
Okay. Okay, here. Do you see Abba with the ice?
Yeah.
Okay.
I see your hand.
Okay, point it down so you can see the ice. Oh. Do you think I did it?
I think you did it.
Oh no! It didn't work.
Shala, baby, Not the yet. big one today.
I think we need a bigger piece of ice.
See,
Okay.
I think it's not so much.
Oh no! I did it too soon. Oh my gosh! That's so crazy. Okay. Should we try it again? Okay, we have to keep our fishing pole on the ice. Okay, just a little bit of salt. Okay.
Not ready.
Okay, let's let it melt on there. Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Yes! We did it! We did it!
Yeah,
We did it twice! Yay! Is that so much fun?
Yeah.
זה כל כך כיף? Okay, it's time for the
Hebrew roundup.
woohoo! Hebrew roundup. חזרה בעברית. Okay, איך אומרים science בעברית? How do we say science in Hebrew? Luli. How do you say science in Hebrew? אתה רוצה רמז? You want a hint? מה? Maglisha is a slide, silly. Science is מדע. Science, מדע. So, Zoe, can you say מדע? Oh. Okay, and science experiment is ניסוי מדעי. So we can say ניסוי מדעי? Good try. Okay, so how do you say science? ניסוי מדעי is science experiment. Very good. And how do you say ice? קרח. Yeah, ice is קרח. Ice fishing is דייג קרח. Ice fishing is? And science experiment? Okay, ניסוי מדעי. And ice fishing is? Okay, and now, science roundup. So can you say science roundup? Very good. Okay, so when it's very hot, does ice freeze or does it melt?
Melt.
Right, and when it's cold, does water freeze or melt?
Freeze.
Right, and so when we put salt on the ice, it means it needs to be colder in order to freeze. But then the salt mixes with the water, and it doesn't need to be as cold to freeze. So then when the salt goes away, it freezes again, and it freezes on the string of our fishing pole, so we get to pick it up. Is that so cool?
Yeah, that's so cool.
Okay.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe and click like.